Have you ever considered beginning a manifestation journal? Imagine a sanctuary where your hopes, aspirations, and dreams come to life. A domain where your thoughts gain clarity and your dreams find a path. Isn't that fascinating? Manifestation journaling is more than just penning down your goals. It's a meditative practice that allows you to unravel the deepest layers of your subconscious mind. Essentially, it is a space where your thoughts and dreams crystallize into tangible goals. It's a voyage of self-discovery, offering insights into your deepest desires and potential paths to fulfill them. The beauty of a manifestation journal is its simplicity. All you require is a notebook or diary and a goal, however vague it may be. Yet the outcome could be the transformation of your life by gaining clarity on what you truly want and designing a roadmap to attain it. Ready to embark on this journey? Here's a step-by-step guide. Engage in the process of free writing. This tool lets thoughts flow onto the unbound by rules. You write as ideas occur, free and unguided, like words with wings filling the page. It helps in tackling the intimidation of a blank canvas, providing space for dreams and goals. Beyond filling pages, free writing is therapeutic. It lets you express deepest emotions and thoughts. The process reveals hidden sentiments and fears, augmenting self-understanding. Expressing raw feelings reduces stress, aids in trauma processing, and enhances clarity of mind. It's a judgment-free zone where your thoughts and feelings find refuge. The pen is your ally, the paper your confidant. Embrace the tranquility that comes with free writing. Step 2. Set SMART goals. This is a framework for goal setting that stands for specific, meaningful, achievable, realistic, and trackable. Start with specific. Define your goals explicitly. Then, meaningful ensures your goal aligns with your values, enhancing your drive to achieve it. Achievable and realistic elements ensure your goal is within your reach, striking a balance between ambition and practicality. Trackable signifies setting measurable goals, allowing you to monitor your progress, keeping you motivated. This SMART scheme can help you craft detailed, result-oriented goals. It's more than acronym. It's a powerful tool that can guide you in setting goals that lead to genuine progress and achievements. Step 3. Unravel the significance of your goals. It's about understanding the personal value of your goals. Dig deeper by questioning the relevance of goal to you. Why is this goal valuable? What are the advantages of this goal? Reflect on the emotional impact once you've reached this goal. Will this emotional state be long-lasting? Will the success of goal facilitate the achievement of other key objectives? Consider, will this goal foster my personal development? Is the path to this goal in line with my fundamental principles? Does this goal push me beyond my comfort boundaries? Will it boost my abilities or knowledge? These questions are crucial in identifying goals that truly matter to you, because it's these significant goals that you're more likely to stay committed to. Understanding the importance of a growth mindset is a pivotal step in personal development. This mindset thrives on the principle that inherent capabilities can be improved through continuous effort and unwavering willpower. It effectively breaks down the barriers of and self-doubt, enabling us to pursue our aspirations fearlessly. An integral part of cultivating this mindset is the practice of journaling. Journaling is a reflective tool, illuminating the instances when you acquired new knowledge or skills. By documenting the challenges, hurdles, triumphs, and lessons, you foster a strong belief in your ability to learn and grow. This process of self-examination through journaling is a testament to your resilience and adaptability. It reinforces your confidence and empowers you to venture out of your comfort zone. Your journal serves as a tangible record of your journey, fostering self-belief and reinforcing your commitment to growth. This regular practice of introspection through journaling is a powerful tool to nurture your growth mindset. The culminating phase is charting your path towards the future. It's about creating a roadmap, a guide to navigate you through the choppy waters of life. To chart this map, you will employ your journal. This journal, an extension of your mind, is the canvas on which you will paint your targets, aspirations, and dreams. You will draft a comprehensive and detailed sketch, a graphical representation of your immediate and future objectives. This sketch isn't just for aesthetic purposes, but is a dynamic tool to reflect upon. Meditate on the steps, the milestones you need to cross to achieve these goals. For better clarity and comprehension, you might find it helpful to answer these prompts. What are my immediate short-term objectives? What are the larger long-term ambitions that I aspire? What are the smaller incremental steps I need to take to reach each target? These questions act as a guide, a personal mentor, illuminating your way towards your dreams. Your journal serves as a lighthouse, casting its beacon of light on your path, guiding you towards your dreams. Remember, the clearer your goals and dreams are, the easier it is to plot. So there you have it. Beginning a manifestation journal is indeed an effortless task. It's the first step on a journey of self-discovery and personal development, a journey that can help you in many ways. Remember the famous quote by Lao Tzu? "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." This quote is a beautiful reminder of the power of taking the first step. Starting a journal is that first step towards making your dreams come true. A notebook. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A simple notebook will serve the purpose. Dedicate this notebook to your dreams, to your aspirations. Now set your goals. Be clear about what you want to manifest in your life. Remember, clarity is power. The more clear you are about your goals, the higher are the chances of you achieving them. Believe in yourself. Believe in your capabilities, power of your thoughts. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Remember, belief is the ignition switch that gets you off the launching pad. So, begin the journey. Start journaling your way to your dreams. Write down your thoughts, your dreams, your fears, your victories. Record the journey, express yourself. This process will help you understand yourself better, thereby bringing you closer to your dreams. And as you embark on this journey, remember to enjoy the process. Manifestation is not just about the destination, it's about the journey as well. Enjoy the process of turning your dreams into reality. One day, you will look back and be proud of the steps you took towards your dreams. Happy manifesting! Voiceover. Now that we've covered the basics, let's examine more closely the intricacies involved in starting a manifestation journal. Journaling isn't simply about transferring thoughts on paper. It's a method that helps you articulate your goals, monitor your progress, and diminish stress levels. The act of writing is more than just documenting your thoughts. It's a journey of exploration and comprehension. Consider the following prompts if you're uncertain of to begin. What does my ideal day look like? Or, how would I feel once I've achieved my goal? These prompts aid in visualizing your aspirations and help you reflect on their significance to you. Your manifestation journal is more than a diary. It's a powerful tool you can use to manifest your dreams. Use it to record affirmations, visualize your objectives, and even write letters to your future self. Explore different ways to utilize your journal in the pursuit of your dreams. We've also put together a comprehensive guide on manifestation journaling. Guide is designed to assist you through the entire process, from setting up your journal to identifying your goals and commencing your journey towards manifesting your dreams. Let's now discuss some exciting, practical, and useful tips for journaling. Try to integrate journaling into your daily routine. Inject creativity into your journal with vibrant pens or stickers to make it visually appealing. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to journaling. This is your personal journey, so make it unique. With these tips, prompts, and guide, you're already well equipped to start manifesting your dreams. So what are you waiting for? Grab that journal and start writing. Before we wrap up, we want to extend an invitation to you. Our channel is not just about providing information, but also about creating a supportive community. A community where we can grow together, learn from each other, and inspire one another. In the comment section below, we would love for you to share your experiences and thoughts. Maybe you've tried manifestation journaling before, or perhaps you're just starting out and have some questions. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and there's no better place to start than here. Also, if you found value in this video, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with your friends. It helps us reach more people and continue providing content like this. And finally, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We have a lot more to share, including more detailed guides, inspiring stories, and practical tips to help you on your manifestation journey. So, let's start the conversation. What does your manifestation journey look like? What are your dreams and aspirations? We can't wait to hear from you. Again, thank you for being here and for being a part of our community.